He does. You know, they talk about turtles going so slow, but for a turtle, we were a little surprised how quickly he can move.
Can we hold it?
No, but you can't touch it.
What about that one? The second one.
He's got a beautiful shell. I love the wonderful tag.
Everyone who got their turtle, please clap. You know what happens if he has his head?
He gets scared and he tucks it in. He's gonna hide animal friends today.
Yeah, and I've been kidding.
You might notice if you decide to touch his legs that he has very seedy skin. It's not quite as soft as tender